Hello and welcome to this how-to video. In this video I'm going to show you the installation of the CTratio fiber together with the sensor head and the electronic box. And I will show you how to exchange broken fibers with spare fibers. When mechanically connecting the fiber to the sensor head and the electronic box, the correct sequence must be ensured. Both connections are labeled with the corresponding side, head and box. You can see on the one side the label head and on the other side of the cable at the connector the label box. To connect the fiber correctly, plug the cable into the device and turn the fiber until it locks into place. Then fix the cable with a knurled screw. Do the same with the other side. So with the box connection, put the cable into the device, turn the fiber until it locks into the place, and then fix the cable with a knurled screw. If the CTratio fiber is broken, you have to exchange the fiber with a spare fiber which you have ordered together with the CTratio unit. Disconnect the broken fiber from the electronic box, rotate the knurled screw and pull it off. With a spare fiber you will get also a spare sensor head. The serial number of the device is located on the sensor head and on the fiber cable on the side of the electronic box. Each head and associated fiber has its own unique number for its identification. So this could be 1, 2 or 3. Please be sure to use the same serial number on the sensor head and on the fiber cable. To install the fiber cable, plug the cable into the device and turn the fiber until it locks into place. Then fix the cable with a knurled screw. Do the same with the sensor head. Plug the cable into the sensor head and turn the fiber until it locks into the place. Then fix the cable with a knurled screw. The unique number must be set on the device at the electronic box or in the software. To set the new spare fiber with the software, connect the USB cable with the electronic box and the other end with your PC. Now you can open the software for the CTratio. You can see on the right side on the top that we see here the wrong temperature. This is because we have not set yet the right serial number for the fiber cable. To set the right number for the fiber cable, go to the menu Setup and to the tab Advanced Settings. Here at this position you can change the serial number. In my case I have the number 2. Click on OK. You can see now on the screen on the right side the right temperature of 275 degrees C. To set the right serial number at the electronic box, push the 3 buttons at the electronic box at the same time. And then you can see Optical Set. Now you can use the up and down button to set the right serial number. That's all. We finished to set the right serial number for the spare fiber.